tell you, I was so tempted to put a little bit of bedhead right here, but I didn't put any mousse. I didn't put any bedhead. She is completely glueless. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. Today, I am talking about a wig that I have been seeing float around everywhere. This company is like a newer company and it's really popular, and I see why. This wig is an Amazon wig and it's a new company from Yasgrl. This video is not sponsored. I did buy this wig with my own money because I wanted to see what the hype was, okay? I think you guys are gonna like this video. So I'm gonna tell y'all my thoughts on this wig, let y'all know how I feel, but before we get started, give this video a thumbs up for me, hit that subscribe button, let's jump into it.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's do, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help got this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say let's do, babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long.
Hey friends, so let's go ahead and jump right into this review. Let's talk about this highly popular human hair wig from Yasgrl. Okay, I think that's how you say it. Yes. Yasgrl. So this is a new wig that I have been seeing trending a lot. I'm seeing a lot of reviews pop up on this wig and I was like, okay, I need to jump on it. And when my girl Mary Kay Bella, I saw her review this one. She's been reviewing these wigs. She's reviewed a couple of them, but I was like, let me go ahead and see what her reviews look like, and this one stuck out to me. So this is the first one that I got from this company. So let me go ahead and give you guys some specs about this wig. This is a company that is, I'm not sure if it's just on Amazon, but it's like all over Amazon, so I love that because you can get the wig like tomorrow. This is a 10-inch glueless bob. It's human hair and it's a pre-cut lace, undetectable real 5x5 HD lace closure blunt cut bob. It says the density is 180% pre-plucked bleached knots, and the price of this 10-inch wig is $119. So let's go ahead and put it out there. I am not a bob girl, okay? So on this channel I do review some bobs, but I don't like bobs. I don't know why me and bobs have a love-hate relationship, but I'm trying to warm up to this relationship. I'm trying to embrace it more, and I see why. Because I think I'm starting to be a bob girl. I don't know. I asked my daughter how she liked this wig, and she was like, I don't know. She just used to seeing me in long hair, but I get why bobs are popular. They're very easy, they're very lightweight, they're very put on your head and go, and I get it. This texture on this wig, just to be very clear, this is a silky texture. It says it's 180% density. To me, it kind of feels more like maybe between 150 and 180. You know, I don't feel like it's a true 180, but It is a silky bob. The texture of this wig is silky, so keep that in mind. I have reviewed some bobs that were a little bit thinner than this, so I guess when it comes to silky, that's why they're saying 180%. Y'all saw what I did with this wig. I literally just went in with like my flat iron and kind of straightened it out. It did come bumped, just to not have the end so like harsh, choking up under my neck. I just flattened it out a little bit. I went in with my... Is this my wax stick? I've been looking for this wax stick. Oh my goodness. I was looking for this wax stick. I was looking for this wax stick when I was putting on this wig. It does have a little bit of flyaways, but if you don't have a wax stick, use some serum. The serum is working for me, and that's what I was using. Or you can use a wax stick just for a little bit of the flyaways. The bob is all the way around, as you guys see. I just went ahead and kept it exactly the way it came. It came with the standard part in the middle, but you can part this wig, y'all. You can swoop the hair because it is a closure. You can do different things to the wig. You know, you can wear it on the side. But I didn't want to mess with it because I did not. You see, you can do that bit. Is it too short? No, but you could do like a side part. You could do a side part if you... Oh, that's cute. That's kind of cute. If you actually put some heat on this and move that part over, you can do a side part. But it came with the standard middle part, so I just kind of left it at that. And now let's talk about the fact that this says glueless, y'all. I don't know how I feel about glueless either. I talk about it all the time. I always feel like I need a little bit of security. And y'all, I tell you, I was so tempted to put a little bit of bedhead right here, but I didn't put any mousse. I didn't put any bedhead. She is completely glueless. This comes with that elastic band in there, so it does feel pretty snug. You can go in with some bobby pins on the side to wear it. I don't feel like the wig is slipping though. I feel like the wig is secure on my head, but just if you have trust issues like me, you can put some bobby pins on the side. You know, I like that. I like how the wig is flowing, like it's really flowy. It's nice. So you can see how it looks all the way around. This is what it's looking like in the front, the side, and in the back. The cap feels okay. It doesn't feel too small on my head, and I have a big head. I do like it kind of behind my ears a little bit more. I don't know why, but I feel like that look works better. But wear your wig how you want to wear your wig. It's your wig, it's your life. I like that. And it's a closure. So the fact that it's a closure, the lace is only going to be up to right here, and it's not going to go all the way down. I'm here for that because closures are in right now. I don't know if y'all been paying attention, but closures are it. They're so easy to put on. I love the fact that I didn't have to cut this lace. Literally, I plopped it on my head, y'all. I didn't put anything underneath that lace because these knots are bleached. I went in with a little bit of powder on top of the lace, but I don't even really feel like I needed that. I just did it to match because my wig cap was black and just kind of brighten up that part a little bit. I didn't put any powder in the front of this lace. This HD lace looks really, really good, y'all. I'm pretty confident if you do melt it, it'll melt right into your skin. Absolutely. And it's already melting into my skin now. And I don't have any glue. I don't have no glue in there. And it's melting. Look at that. So the lace looks good. The hair feels good. It's really soft, really easy. I think I like this wig. I get it. I absolutely want to go in and get another wig from this company because I get it. I see what the girls are talking about. So thank you, Mary, and thank you, girls, for flooding this wig all over my timeline. I like this wig. I like her. I really do. And y'all know I don't like bobs. So I think she's a winner. And this is definitely everyday Target Work Slay approved, okay? I'll leave a link below to my Amazon storefront where you can purchase this wig. I do earn a small commission. This video is not sponsored, y'all, so I bought this wig with my own money, my own coins. So if you do use that link to purchase, it does help me out a little bit. Let me know what y'all think about this. I think I want to do like a little bit more like Amazon wigs for you guys because they come literally like the next day, like a day or two, and you get the wig right away. And I like that, you know. Not saying I'm not going to do my synthetic wigs, but this is going to hold up. It's human hair. It's going to last. It's $120. You can't beat that. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig. Drop me some comments down below. And until next time, I'm going to talk to y'all later. Bye!